Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to our Thursday context clues lesson. Today we're going to be talking about antonym clues. Now, yesterday we talked about synonyms, which mean the same thing. That means that antonym must mean what, boys and girls? That's right. Antonym means the opposite. So we're looking for the opposite meaning of each of the underlined words in the sentences, okay? So we're going to circle the antonym, and then it says for us to write the meaning of the underlined word. So we've got one more step today. All right, let's look at number one together. When we left the murky cave, I had to shield my eyes from the bright sunlight. All right, so if you had to shield your eyes from the bright sunlight, that must mean murky would mean dark. Let's see if I'm correct. Yes. All right. So the antonym of murky is going to be bright. Those are opposites. So that means that murky must mean dark. Now, boys and girls, your definition might not be the exact same word that I wrote down for the definition. It can be different. It might have been gloomy when we left the gloomy cave. That would mean the same thing. Your definition doesn't have to be exactly the same, as long as it's the same general idea. All right, let's look at number two together. That flimsy kite was a waste of money. It broke the first time we tried to fly it. Next time, I'm going to pay more money and buy a stronger kite. All right, it sounds like this kite was cheap because next time they're going to pay more money and get a stronger kite. So that must also mean that the kite is weak. It's probably cheap and weak and just not very well made. So if you circled stronger, you're correct. Stronger is going to be the antonym of flimsy. They are opposites. So that means that flimsy means weak. Remember, you didn't have to choose the exact same word that I chose, but if you chose a word that means basically the same thing as weak, then you're correct. All right, now here's the point in the lesson when I want you to pause the video and I want you to do numbers 3 through 8 on your own. When you're done, hit play and check your answers. All right, hit pause. All right, boys and girls, welcome back. If you hit play, that means you are done and it's time to check your answers. All right, let's look at number 3. Number 3, the antonym of dull is sharp, which means dull must mean unsharp. Number 4, the antonym of tardy is early, which means tardy must mean late. Number 5, the antonym of summit is bottom, which means summit must mean top. Number 6, the antonym of condense is long. So that must mean condense means shorten. Number 7, the antonym of dusting is mounds, which means dusting must mean a small amount. And number 8, the antonym of abhors is loves, which means abhors must mean hates. Kayla hates tomatoes, but she loves ketchup. Isn't that odd? All right, boys and girls. I hope that you got some good practice on your antonym clues. Remember, Mrs. McKay and I do not need a picture of this work. Just hold on to it until we are back together again. All right, tomorrow we will be finishing up our context clues. We're going to be looking at inference clues as well as example clues. All right, everybody, have a good rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.